How can I buy Bitcoin? If you're looking to buy Bitcoin, follow these steps to get started. Pick an exchange and wallet provider. The first step is to pick a place to buy and store your Bitcoin. The easiest and fastest way to start is to choose an exchange that also offers secure Bitcoin storage. Some decentralized exchanges don't require an account, but you'll need an existing wallet and more technical know-how to use this type of exchange. Fund your account. If you choose a provider that allows you to deposit fiat currency, dollars, euros, pounds, etc., you'll probably have to fund your account before you can make an order. You may be able to buy right away with a debit or credit card, but beware of extra fees. Place an order. Now it's time for the big moment. Place your order and wait for it to fully execute. Because blockchain processing takes some time, your purchase may not be instant. There are many factors that can lead this to take anywhere from a few minutes to longer than an hour to complete. Once your order is done, you should see your new Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet or account. Congratulations!